Greetings to one and all present here. I am Hemavati from 8th standard in Ramakrishna Vidyalayam Education Higher Secondary School. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you our daily information. Our students are waiting eagerly to present their information. So without delay, let's start our program. First, I would like to call Rakesh from 8th standard to present English news.
Hello viewers, this is R. Rakesh from 8th standard. Today's English news. Tornadoes in Punjab, snowfalls into major crisis for Congress. Prop shows use of toxic material in firecrackers. SC. CM relaunches Kalanger scheme. 1,350 impounded vehicles actioned off by the police. Fly ash still choking Buckingham Canal backwaters, NGT told. DGP rewards personnel for saving man's life. Not more than 20 students can be seated in a classroom, minister. A found without a care of the RIT. 24 lakhs pre-primary students to get meals. Foreign Secretary to visit Colombo soon. Apasara star for Udagamandalam Cup. Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh, for your enlightened performance. Next, I would like to call P. Rahul from 8th standard to tell Tamil news.
Hello viewers, good morning to all. I am Pirawal from 8th standard in Ramakrishna Vidyalayam Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pannalli. Today, I am tell about today Tamil news. 1ஆம் முதல் 8ஆம் வகுப்பு வரை தமிழகத்தை பின்பற்றி புதுச்சேரியில் பள்ளிகள் திறப்பு. கவர்னர் தமிழகத்தை சவுந்தரராஜ் தகவல். தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று காரணமாக தமிழகத்தில் 4 நாட்களுக்கு பரவலாக மழை பெய்யக்கூடும். வானிலை ஆய்வு மையம் அறிவிப்பு. மேலும் 18,870 பேருக்கு கொரோனா சிகிச்சை. பெறுவர் எண்ணிக்கை மிகவும் சரிவு. உயல் வழக்கில் முன்னாள் அமைச்சர் சந்திரமுகி 5 ஆண்டு சிறை. சென்னை சிறப்பு கோர்ட் தீர்ப்பு. 5 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு ரூபாய் 1.35 லட்சம் கோடியில் நாடு முழுவதும் 12 கோடி அரசு பள்ளி குழந்தைகளுக்கு ஊட்டச்சத்து உணவு மத்திய அரசு ஒப்புதல். சிறப்பு மருத்துவ சேவை அளிக்கும் கலைஞர் வருமுன் காப்போம் திட்டம் மு.க. ஸ்டாலின் தொடங்கி வைத்தார். 1624 பேருக்கு கொரோனா. தமிழகத்தில் குழந்தைகளுக்கு பாதிப்பு உயர்வு. நன்றி, வணக்கம். தனித்திருப்போம், விழித்திருப்போம்.
Thank you, P. Rahul, for your enlightened performance. Next, I would like to call R. Rakesh from 8th standard to tell English story.
Hello viewers, I am R. Rakesh from 8th standard. English story. The well dispute. Once there was a complaint at King Akbar's court. There were 2 neighbors who shared their garden. In that garden there was a well that was processed by Aibal Khan. His neighbor, who was a farmer, wanted to buy the well for irrigation purpose. Therefore, they signed an agreement between them, after which the farmer owned the well. Even after selling the well to the farmer, Iqbal continued to fetch water from the well. Angered by this, the farmer had come to get justice from King Akbar. King Akbar asked Iqbal the reason for fetching water from the well even after selling it to the farmer. Iqbal replied that he had sold only the well to the farmer but not the water inside it. King Akbar wanted Birbal, who was present in the court listening to the problem to solve the dispute. Birbal came forward and gave a solution. He said, Iqbal, you say that you have sold only the well to the farmer, and you claim the water is yours. Then how come you can keep your water inside another person's well without paying rent? Iqbal trickery was countered thus in a tricky way. The farmer got justice and Birbal was fairly rewarded. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you, Rakesh, for your fabulous performance. Next, I would like to call Badrinath from 8th standard to present English story. Now I would present from 8th standard present story.
Good morning to all. My name is Yampu Varsan from 8th standard. The Talkative Tortoise. There once lived 3 great friends and a pair of geese and a tortoise. One summer, the scorching sun rays dried up their lake, and they decided to leave and look for a new lake. But the tortoise could not fly, so the geese thought of an idea where the tortoise would have to bite on a stick, which would be carried by the 2 geese. The only condition was that the tortoise should not open its mouth, or it would meet a terrible fate. Soon the geese rose into the sky, within the tortoise holding firmly onto the stick. Remember, no talking, said the geese to the tortoise. On witnessing these animals on the ground, started laughing at the usual sight, a flying tortoise. They shouted, unable to control his anxiety. The tortoise spoke out. What are you all laughing about? Oh no, I am falling, screamed the helpless tortoise. And so the poor tortoise came crashing to the ground, only to be saved from death by her thick shell. If only I would have kept my mouth shut, I would be in a new lake with my friends, thought the tortoise as she slowly began her journey to find her friends. Thank you. Stay.
Thank you, Puvarsan, for your marvelous performance. Thank you to all the viewers to spend your precious time with us. Keep support us. Thank you to all. Stay home, stay safe.